Hi, this week in the small shed I'm going to be putting the drawers in the rolling cart, and that's coming up next. It's time now to fit the battens that are needed to space out the distance between the MDF and the metalwork. I'm just using the painted 15 by 35 timber that was cut earlier, with about 2 or 3 screw holes in it. So that will just give it a bit of a fixing temporarily while the glue dries. And those just slot in the appropriate positions. And then once it's dry, the runners will fit one from either side that will slot in there. They're 350mm runners with a little bit of space between. I think I'm 710 from front to back, and then that will come out once it's done. And then there'll be a small timber panel which will form the base of the tray. So we'll get on with the rest of those now. Now, I made an MDF routering jig guide for the drawer handles. There's just a pull on the underneath of the drawer. Well, you'll be able to grab it from either the top or the bottom. So I'm just going to attach that to the shelves, and then I can get all 12 of them done with handles. Take a bit of masking tape on there, stick them on, and masking tape on there. Put those down, and then squid your super glue. Squirt of accelerator. Get that into position. All the way around. Push that down and then that's fixed. Get the little Katsu router and take the edges off round over the corners. There's going to be a small aluminium panel across the front to help with the grip and locate the drawers, and it'll take a label as well, but I've just got another 11 of those to do first, and come back to you when they're done. Now for the front of the drawers, now I've got the pulls in routed out. I just want something to stop the sustainers coming forward and falling out or becoming dislodged. I want something that I can use for labelling so that I can see what's in that sustainer, and something to help pull. I didn't want a tall handle because it puts quite a lot of strain on that joint there, which is why I just put the little handholds in. I've got some display stand aluminium that I'm using up. It so happened that I'd got just enough lengths of it, so I'm going to cut some of that to suit each drawer. That will sit on the front and be drilled and screwed on. And that's for finished drawers with the labels in, and all I've got to do now is put the lettering on them. Until I actually start to use the benches and the drawers, I'm not really sure where everything will go, so I'm going to leave it with a temporary labelling on until I've got a system and a sort of a flow of work that puts the things where I need them. I think the bench dogs will probably be going in the top, smaller sustainers, screws underneath, and then some of the drills on the front with the lesser used tools at the back, like the planers and the big router. But as I say, until I actually get to use it, it's a job to know. But next week hopefully we'll finish this off by putting the top on, and I look forward to seeing you then. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch to all of you who have subscribed. It's growing slowly, but it's growing, so thanks for that. I do appreciate it. It's nice to know that your works are being at least watched occasionally. See you next week. Thanks very much indeed. See you now. Bye.